What's up, guys? We're back. Got a new guy with us today.
Oh, yeah.
Stafford Chimney. We're gonna pick one more guy up here. We got Ryan right here, the tag holder. Gonna head to some state lands. Hopefully chase some bugling bulls. So keep watching and hopefully we get some rod action for you guys on video. Cody couldn't make it on this trip, so
hopefully we fill this tag.
Hopefully we fill that tag up, and Stafford is Cody's replacement for this weekend, so stay tuned.
Subscribe now.
We're meeting up with two other tag holders, Dr. Trevor Martinson, whom you guys saw hunting elk earlier, the hunt before this one. We're gonna go meet up with him and Eric, who you guys saw hunt last year. So all three of us have tags, so hopefully you see us punching 3 tags this weekend. So fingers crossed, wish us luck and tag along with us.
Hey, what's up, camera?
Got Trevor here. He's one of the elk tag holders on this state hunt, so warming up some of that Frito pie. We just showed up. Just
At a
not
quarter
bad.
to 11.
Yeah, it's almost midnight, folks.
Yep.
So we're gonna grab on some Frito pie. Rest of the guys are outside. Wake up tomorrow bright and early. Hopefully chase some bugling bulls, right, Trevor?
I hope. They weren't bugling tonight.
Yeah.
We didn't see anything.
That's better. Just record with the camera or the phone instead of the damn camera. So alright, just showed up to Out Camp. And we're in Trevor's humble abode.
Oh, here it is, guys. Yes, welcome to my humble abode.
Can you give us a tour of the MTV cribs?
Not much to it. Here you have the king's bed.
King's beds where the kings sleep.
King stuff all laid out.
Found it.
Here you have
Kitchen.
Eric's bed. This couch folds out into a bed.
Is that where Matt crashed last time?
That's where Matt crashed.
Let's eat. Thanks for inviting us. Some water.
What's up, guys? It's opening day.
Morning.
Got Ryan here. About to load his muzzle. How many grains?
120 grains.
20.
Black corn 209. Scorpion PT Gold 300 grain bullet. Or harvester muzzleloader.
In it goes.
So big goes bang.
Hope it comes back out here in a bit. Got Stafford right here, and we got Ty over here.
Got it going.
And Ryan's brother DJ back there somewhere. Trevor and Eric headed up a different direction. I'll try it out. Let's spot that they know of.
Hopefully they see something and we run into some action as well. So stay tuned. Morning, everyone. Got the crew here. There's Matt and Ty back there. Got Stafford, or Bo, as he likes to be called. Got my bro DJ. But still making our way up this mountain. I forgot what mountain range it's called, but it's pretty steep. And I heard one bugle so far. Matt and them heard a bugle. And Stafford found a pretty cool shade in the dark hiking up, so we're gonna keep hiking and find a good glassing point and start glassing up. Hopefully we see something heading to bed or to water, or hear one bugle. But we're learning the country and having fun, just taking our time as we go. We'll keep y'all updated. Hopefully we see some elk and glass up some elk. We'll turn on the phone scope for you, but just wanted to give y'all a quick update on the opening morning. No action. Well, we heard a bugle, so it's not a bad start. So we know there's elk in here. We're gonna have fun, stay after it. Our first sign of an elk.
Your first day as an elk.
They're pretty good, dude. What's the ISO on it? Is it auto?
In search of.
After hours of hiking, finally found some fresh bull tracks. Check this out. Nice glassing spot. So they put us stuck on in the evening.
But the only action we're getting right now, people. Antelope buck.
5 miles away.
About 5 miles away. Just chilling. So we got our first fresh track sign here, so we were glassing for a bit, but did not have much luck. Just glassed up some antelopes, but that's about it. So Ryan's loading up and we're gonna sneak down to where we think they might be bedded and maybe jump one, who knows. So stay tuned. Jump, call. So maybe I see some out. Yep. Saw some antelope. So fresh tracks, so we're going in, so hopefully we see something. First time here, wish us luck. Sorry guys, we bumped 2 bulls, but did I get it on video? I tried, but unexpectedly, huh? Yes, opening day, we heard one, saw 2, now we just gotta glass them up or see them before they hear or see us. Got some deer bedded across the canyon.
feeling there's some more elk right here. Or that we spooked those bulls on the other side. We're gonna try and glass them up again. That was fun. That's what we tried to do, is make some action happen. And that's what we did. So we're trying our best to record it, but we're new to it, so bear with us. Sorry for the wind too.
Yeah, it's really windy, so I hope you can hear us. But stay tuned. Hopefully we see some more and get a better video this time.
Need a rehydration. Man, that was adrenaline rush. I wasn't even sweating anything. Like in 5 minutes, I was all sweaty and sick.
Me too. So those bulls were bedded behind Ryan right here somewhere. When we popped out on top of those ridges,
We couldn't see
right
them
there.
behind the trees.
And
I didn't see them.
there was a possibility we could glass them up from here, but we decided not to settle right there and go glass at a higher point. But we saw them. There's a little buck right there. I think that though gets us pinned down. No luck finding those bulls that we bumped. So we're making our way back to the truck. Can't wait to hear the story those other two guys have. Looks like they had some pretty good action too. So we're just hiking back to the truck. And then we'll see you guys at camp. Got the whole crew behind. Stay tuned.
Sweet find. Good job, bro. Looks,
Well,
how did you find it? What did you see?
All I saw was this sticking out.
The bird, the base?
Yeah.
Turn around, Matt. Show me your nice shit that this guy found at night.
Yeah, this morning.
With his coyote eyes.
Me and Matt walked right past it. This guy found it.
Let's go.
What's up, programs?
Just ran into some other hunters. Their vehicles right here at the trailhead. So we're gonna go try and glass up the bull we saw crossing the highway yesterday. So gonna go grab some food and go glass for the evening.
Yep.
Let's do this, fellas.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, it's our first time here in this unit. So whoa! Did I almost step on it?
I think we all did.
The bad juju.